So here we are looking at this two-cylinder St. Lawrence. What I've done is to machine down a coupling so that it would fit this pipe, and so when we test run it we can get the water to spill into a bucket rather than sort of going out into the world making a horrible mess. And coming over here, I've just finished making a two-cylinder ignition box. There's the on-off switch. So this is spark number 1, timer number 1, spark number 2, timer number 2, battery positive, battery negative, and ground for the engine. And it throws sparks like you wouldn't believe. So, and there's the lid. Put that on, and hopefully today or tomorrow we'll have a crack at getting her to spin over. We'll see about that. And there's that keel and stern post now installed. It's now a question of shaping the this part in here to get it to coincide with the stern of the boat. And you can see there's a bit of a hog in the hull. If let's see, there we go. Something like that. You can see there's a bit of a hog right in the middle, but that's the way it always was. So that's the way it'll be.